Hello everyone, good morning, dear students. In today's lecture, I would like to discuss the concept of data structure. Basically, what do you mean by data structure? A data structure is a particular way of storing and organizing the data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently and effectively. Examples of data structure are array, stack, queue, linked list, tree, and graph, etc. Every data structure is having its own property for storing and organizing the data so that it can be used efficiently and effectively. We will see these examples one by one. First, I will discuss array as a data structure. Basically, what do you mean by an array? It is collection of elements having similar data type, and those elements are stored at continuous memory locations. For example, here I have shown an array of 12 elements. If you observe elements, those all 12 elements are of type integer. Always first element is stored at 0th index, second element is stored at first index. In this way, if the size of array is n, last element is stored at n minus 1 index. If you observe, 11 is stored at memory location 200. As 11 is integer, it requires 4 bytes. Therefore, next integer element 9 is stored at memory address 204. Again, it requires 4 bytes. Therefore, next element is stored at next address as 208. In this way, array is a collection of elements having similar data type, and those elements are stored at continuous memory locations. Next data structure is stack. Basically, what do you mean by stack? Stack is a data structure in which element which is inserted last is come out first. Therefore, stack is known as LIFO kind of data structure. LIFO, L-I-F-O. LIFO stands for last in, first out. For example, there are two possible operations on this stack: push operation and pop operation. Push operation means to insert element into this stack. Pop operation means to remove the element from this stack. As I already have discussed the concept of stack data structure, stack is a data structure in which element which is inserted last is come out first. In this example, I have pushed A, then B, then C, then D. Then I would like to push next data element as E. After pushing E, now E element is at the top. So I have pushed A, then B, then C, then D, then E. The element which is inserted last is E. Therefore, if we perform pop operation as per property of this stack, element which is inserted last is come out first, element which is inserted last is E. So if you try to remove the element from this stack, E get removed first. Then if you pop, then D get removed first. Then C get removed, then B get removed, then A get removed. That is, if you use stack as a data structure, it follows LIFO property, that is last in first out. Element which is inserted last is come out first. I already have explained this concept with the help of example. Next data structure is Q data structure. Q, again it is a data structure in which the element which is inserted first is come out first. Therefore, it is also known as FIFO kind of data structure, FIFO, FIFO kind of data structure, that is first in first out. For example, consider this as a Q. Again, two types of operations are possible on Q: NQ operation and DQ operation. To insert element into the Q is known as NQ operation, while to remove element from this stack is known as DQ operation. In this example, I have NQ'd three elements inside Q. Those are A, B, C. Then I am trying to NQ D. After NQing D, there are four items A, B, C, D inside Q. Okay, now as per property of the Q, the element which is inserted first is A. So if you try to remove the element which is inserted first is A, therefore if you perform DQ operation, A get removed first. Then if you perform DQ operation, then B get removed, then C, and then D. So this is the concept of the Q. So the difference between stack and Q is that stack is a data structure in which element which is inserted last is come out first. Therefore, stack is known as LIFO kind of data structure. Two possible operations are possible on stack. Those are push and pop. And what about Q? Q is a data structure in which element which is inserted first it's come out first. Therefore, Q is known as FIFO kind of data structure. There are two possible operations on Q. These are NQ operation and DQ operation. Next data structure is linked list. Basically, a linked list is a collection of nodes arranged sequentially in which the elements are not stored at continuous memory locations. The elements in a linked list are linked using pointer as shown in the figure. Okay, this is the singly linked list. Okay, we have seen the concept of array. Basically, I already have told what do you mean by an array. Array is collection of elements having similar data type, and those elements are stored at continuous memory location. Basically, array is static data structure, but next data structure is linked list. I already have told the concept of the linked list. Linked list is a collection of nodes which are arranged sequentially in which the elements are not stored at continuous memory location. The elements in a linked list are linked using pointer as shown in the below image. This is an example of singly linked list where there are 4 nodes. Every node is having data part and other part is the pointer. Okay, so first node is having data as A and it is attached to next node which is having data as B. Again this node is attached to next node who is having data as C, in this way. Okay, there are 3 types of linked list: singly linked list, doubly linked list and circular linked list. Okay, we will see the concept of the linked list later. Okay, you have to just remember now, linked list is a data structure and linked list is nothing but it is a collection of nodes arranged sequentially in which elements are not stored at continuous memory locations, and this is unlike array. The elements in a linked list are linked using pointers. Okay, just I already have discussed a node is linked to B, B node is linked to C, C node is linked to D. Array is static data structure while linked list is dynamic data structure. Basically, what do you mean by static data structure and what do you mean by dynamic data structure? I will explain those concepts later. Okay. Next data structure is graph. Basically, graph is nothing but it is a collection. You can say it is a finite set of vertices and edges which connect a pair of nodes. Following is the example of graph. Okay, if you observe at this graph, there are 5 vertices: 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and there are 7 edges. Okay, so this is nothing but this is graph. Okay, graph consists of a finite set of vertices and edges which connect a pair of nodes. Just like if you observe at example, there are 5 vertices and 7 edges. So this is nothing but this is an example of graph. Okay, actually if you observe at this data structure, it is non-linear data structure. Why it is non-linear data structure? Because the data structures up till now which we have seen array, up till now we have seen array as a data structure in which data is arranged linearly. A stack as a data structure, here also we are arranging data linearly. Queue as a data structure, here also we are arranging data linearly. But again linked list, in linked list also we are arranging our data as a linearly. Therefore those are array, stack, queue, linked list are examples of linear data structure. But already I have discussed the concept of the graph. Okay, if you look at this graph here, data is not arranged linearly. Okay, it is arranged hierarchically. Then next data structure is tree data structure. Basically tree is nothing but it is a collection of nodes arranged hierarchically, and you can say tree is a graph without any cycle. Following is an example of tree. Okay, basically what do you mean by tree? Again tree is the graph, but basic difference between graph and tree is a graph without any cycle. That is, a graph may contain cycle. Cycle is nothing but it is closed loop like this: 0, 1, 3, 4, 0. This is one closed loop. 1, 2, 3, 1. This is one closed loop. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. This is another closed loop. In this way, but if you observe at a tree, it does not contain any cycle. Basically the definition of the tree is it is a collection of nodes arranged hierarchically. So these all are nothing but these all are nodes which are arranged hierarchically. You can say tree is a graph, but it is without any cycle. Following is an example of tree. Okay, example I have shown. Root node is A, which is having two children, 2 and 3. Again 2 is having two children, 4 and 5. Again 3 is having two children, 6 and 7. 4 is having two children. Again 5 is having two children. 6 is having only one child. 7 is having only one child. So the element at leaf nodes are 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 and 14. Again tree is, you can say it is non-linear data structure, because here data is not arranged linearly. Here we are arranging our data as hierarchically. So this graph and tree, it belongs to non-linear data structure. So in this lecture we have seen the concept of data structure along with examples of data structure. Basically, what do you mean by data structure? Data structure is a way for storing and arranging the data so that it can be used effectively and efficiently. Examples of data structure are array, stack, queue, linked list, graph and tree. Out of them, array, stack, queue, linked list are linear data structure, while graph and tree, it belongs to non-linear data structure. What do you mean by an array? Array is collection of elements having similar data type, and those elements are stored at continuous memory locations. While stack is nothing but stack is a data structure in which elements are stored in such a way that the element which is inserted last is come out first. Therefore it is known as LIFO kind of data structure, last in first out. Two possible operations are possible on stack: push operation and pop operation. To insert element into the stack is known as push operation, while to remove element from the stack is known as pop operation. Then queue is a data structure in which element which is inserted first is come out first. Therefore queue is known as FIFO kind of data structure. Two possible operations are possible on queue: NQ operation and DQ operation. Okay, NQ means to insert element into the queue and DQ means to remove element from the queue. Basic difference between stack and queue is that stack follows LIFO policy, that is last in first out, while queue follows FIFO policy, first in first out. Then linked list. Basically linked list is a collection of nodes which are arranged sequentially, in which the elements are not stored at continuous memory locations. The elements in a linked list are linked by using pointers. There are three types of linked list: singly linked list, doubly linked list and circular linked list. This is an example of singly linked list. Then graph is a non-linear data structure. It is a finite set of vertices and edges, and you can say a graph is a finite set of vertices and edges in which there are pair of nodes which are linked by an edge. Given example is given like this. And tree is nothing but it is a collection of nodes which are arranged hierarchically. You can say a tree is a graph without any cycle. Following is an example of tree. Basic difference between graph and tree is that a graph contains closed loop while or cycle, while tree does not contain any closed loop. You can say tree is a graph but it is without any cycle. Thank you.